Hello everyone! Today we're gonna draw a window full of colorful clouds and all of those things. Sometimes we see those stuff. Okay, you need pencil crayons, not this time markers. You need a pencil. Okay, first let's start with a big window. Like that. Like a big rectangle. Don't connect the rectangle because I want to tell you what I'm doing. You do a curve like that. And do another curve to make kind of window stuff. Now we're gonna do the other side. And this is a child who's looking out the window. She's looking out the window. She's looking out the window. So now her hands are like that. Hands are reached up. Now we're gonna draw the cloud. She's looking high in the sky. This is her nose sticking out. Eyes sticking out. And the dot sticking out. And that's her eyes looking up in the ceiling. That's how she looks like. And then let's do the house of her neighbor, okay? House of her neighbor that she always plays with. She always plays with her best neighbors. Okay. Maybe it's the greenhouse or something. Okay, the chimney. Chimney, like that. Chimney. You can draw some smoke coming out. Smoke, you kind of know there's smoke. And let's do some trees. There's very cool trees in the neighbor house. The neighbor's house is super big. And then now I saw the sky was this color, okay? Color the cloud, that color what I told you to do. Window. There's window in the house. Now I'm going to put the black away because we need to draw the smoke more detailed. Okay, now we need gray. Okay, gray. Color in the gray right here. Now we use the green. Okay, green. This house is always green. Green here. And green here. Oh, sorry, here. The person's sleeping in there. And the green cloud is like a very soft cloud, like a purple sky. Kind of add a purple sky to this thing. You can put it all over this place. But not on top of the house. Maybe she's wearing red clothes or something. Clothes. I need to sharpen it again. Why do I need to sharpen it so bad? There we go. And maybe she has pink pants. Now we're gonna color this part yellow. Put everything back into the shelf thingy. We're done. Doesn't it look cool? I hope you like watching it. I hope you like watching it. Give it a thumbs up and press the subscribe button on the bottom. Bye bye. See you later.